So we are in Victory Liner Camias, waiting for our bus. Hindi na kami friends. Ano ito? Ito nga. What do you call this? This is chicken mami. Spoiled.
The egg.
Yaw pa.
And the mami. Galing.
Protein.
And the sutangkon.
Kasutang manira.
Ano QCC? CCQ pala ini. QCC.
Huh?
Baliktad. CCQ to, di ba?
Sige.
Ano lugar?
I don't know. Ini nga, terminal?
Oo.
Ano? Confirm mo na lang sa vlog.
Hi! We're in Tabo. How do you see it? We're in Tabo.
And we are going to the
On the way
jeepney
to-
area.
Buscalan.
Area. To the jeepney.
We're going to
Going
Buscalan.
to Buscalan.
Yeah. Our friend here just unloaded all her shit.
Because it's so big, you know? Like, I can
Wait, tumakbo. In fairness. Oh, may Jollibee.
Saan na ba? Dito na?
Ito na po yun.
Jollibee.
Pwede ka mag-back to scratch.
Jollibee na be.
Ganun. Pwede. May ano? Lang yan. Ay!
Laot guide nu. Atau saan nu.
So we're here na in Buscalan. Welcome to Buscalan. Ito na yung tram. So dun yung Buscalan. Tapat. Time is 10:58, so almost 11 a.m. Dito na kami. Medyo malamig yung hangin kahit almost 12 noon na. Dito na sila. Buscalan ready. So kasi CR lang namin and I think si Apo ang ud to. Who else would? Tanong po. Long live Apo. Picture ka, Besh?
Yes, picture it.
So it's 11 a.m. Puwang.
So guys, nandito na kami sa Buscalan. It's like 3 hours from Tabuk City. I went to the skies. I did not fall. but
Okay,
I
let's
arrived.
jump na to.
Ah,
Ano
okay,
yung
okay,
first
sorry,
impressions
sorry.
mo?
Let's proceed to the Lioma.
To the Lioba.
Ay, this is
First
my mom pala
impression.
guys, my mom.
Say hi!
Our resident
Resident
hiker.
radiologist.
May
Charot!
mga
You
chefs.
wanna try?
So, Liaba, what can you say about your trip coming here?
It was surprisingly like not so rough. But,
Wow.
kasi I've been
I've been through hell.
to hell.
Okay. So,
Pero medyo mahirap lang yung bus, ay yung jeep. Ay, ito na.
Mama.
Mahirap lang yung jeep. Tapos
Yeah.
parang, when you try to negotiate with them, they answer back in their local language.
Yeah, they don't
Like, may miscommunication.
they don't
Dapat siguro
respond
nag-Google
properly.
Translate
They're like
tayo.
talking to their own language.
No?
That's why napasubo kami. Medyo mahal yung nabayad namin.
Malaki pa na sa...
Medyo napasubo. Uy, ano ka ba? Wala. Waray hirap mo, Art. As in, waray higot.
Nandun na yung bags namin ni na. Ipapatram namin of going up kasi para lighter na kami pag maglakad. Going across.
Dadalang kain na.
Oo, maraming jobs.
Yung bags pala namin, pwede maki-join ulit? Sige.
Sige.
Yung bags namin, namin sa tram. Kasi they cannot walk.
Oo.
They cannot walk.
But you
So,
can carry it.
No, the bags can't walk. Yun ang reason natin. Why?
So far, I'm not disappointed kasi I thought we were going to walk 1.5 hours, but apparently it will only take us 20 minutes.
Thanks to Robin Padilla.
Okay na po.
Wait, thanks to Robin Padilla.
Thanks to Robin Padilla, wherever the fun came from.
Start na kami. So walking na kami, dadaan kami ng hanging bridge.
No, unless
Ano sila? An mga falls. Yun yung hanging bridge. So we're here na. Dito na sila. This is the hanging bridge going to Buscalan. Actually, konti lang yung tao. Right now, kami lang. Ganda yung view. Galing kami doon. Yung sa ilalim, meron yung river. There's terraces. Mabilis lang pala, mga 2 minutes lang. Crossing. Welcome to Buscalan. Welcome to Buscalan. At tuhera ni ano?
I know.
Oh my God.
Maynila.
May fear of heights, sorry, may fear of heights ba siya?
Oo, hintayin natin sila.
Malapit na kasi.
We made it.
Made it.
Congrats.
So ito yung descent namin. Nakakahinga siya. Siguro last na yan. We have to catch our breath. Okay na po ba?
Hi! So far, parang ano to?
Penitensya.
Parang 30 minutes ko ng takbo.
Mas malakas talaga yung incline mag-burn ng calories. Pag usual po ba, maraming tao dito? Ngayon, konti lang. Nung mga before February, marami pa? Tao. So, meron dito sa midway pa lang siguro to, may siya. May shed. Tingin ko mahintay ako kanina. Wala ko sa kondisyon maglakad.
Kulang sa tulog.
Kulang sa tulog, kulang
Hindi
sa
pa
pagkain.
nakakain.
No rice. Yung source of energy ko is yung chicken mami. Mami?
Last-
Chicken mami.
Pero last night pa yun eh.
Last night.
Hindi mo may ako
At saka chicharon.
kauna din ang oats. Best. Hindi man. Try mo kauna. Rush of sugar din. Bakit po? Oo. Ha?
Okay lang.
Okay lang, akala ko. May damo siguro ang tanong.
Drumline.
Ano pa tayo?
May harani daw sa rin girl. Hindi ko na mga ano na lang, 200 steps.
Ako kanina feeling ko
3,000 steps
feeling ko
from-
kanina mag-pass out na ako.
Oo. Ano sa? Nadi. Oro? Dito eh. Kanina.
Uy,
Kaya kami nagstay na eh.
oh my God.
Grabe na akong heart. Ingat.
Mag-dark choco ka.
So we're almost here. We made it.
We made it! Yun yun.
We'll wait for them here sa my shed. Shade.
Vlog na kita.
It was an unexpected
Yeah. We sort
Sure,
of expected it.
I
Ascend.
kind of expected it, but I was ready.
Ikaw na.
No, I just wasn't ready for the sun. Yeah.
Hindi ka napagod? Ako napagod
Hindi ako
ako.
rin.
Hindi ako
I mean,
napagod pero
Alam kong expected na mainit. Kaya lang,
hindi ako napagod
Joy lang
pero
ako.
medyo nahihilo-hilo ako ganun.
Hindi kasi
Kulang ka ng
Parang-
tulog, kulang
calories.
food.
Oh, kulang ko ng hangin.
Tsaka may level ng food nga gini-intake.
kaya nga gusto niyang kumain kanina. Dapat magbaon ka pa ng more tinapay.
Bawi ka, rice. Yan.
Sana pala kinain mo yung wheat bread.
Ito yung tagang kung ano yung mga.
I'm looking forward to the food.
Yes, me too. I'm looking forward to take a dump.
Siguro mag-only rice ako. Ako rin.
Nagdadalang kain na.
You know what, guys? I made a dump earlier. Doon.
It's so
I know, that was so
obscene. That's so
sneaky.
Doon sa
obscene.
terminal ng ano.
That was so
It was like
sneaky.
perfectly
Ano na
shaped.
dito?
Wow.
Ng shade namin.
Like heart shape.
No,
Yan, no?
it was rough.
May bamboo sa taas. While we are waiting
Adala ka mo, Ma.
for our companions.
We're here!
Diyan eh, pahuya ni Didi.
Saan ba daw dadaan? So time is 12:11. So rest lang kami content then mag-lunch na.
Saan tayo kakain? Diyan lang sa taas.
Resting na sila.
Hi, we're here at Buskalan.
Need to register here yung may welcome to Buskalan. Yung may ref dito. Bakit po may ref dito? May mga binabenta?
Ashley Monsanto.
Dito kami ngayon for our lunch.
Tapos wala man ako support.
Kuya, mag-coke ka!
Basta nilago man nakabuhi ako.
Coke?
Hindi rin ko nakaya.
Electrolyte din.
Kasi, may, nag-start kami alas 5, tapos alas 12, nagbigay na lang kami kapasukan.
Kumain na, Hera? This is mixed pancit.
Dali mga ingredients nyo.
Then we are just waiting for our adobo and rice.
This is our first real meal today.
because we suffered today.
Sinimix man lang ini kay kulang man.
Just
Ito na yung rice.
Isa pa pang to.
Naka.
Say mo ni mga di.
Pancit. Rice.
Ikaw may dada.
Eat na as.
Para sa iyo ba? Adi? Okay.
Piolo. Piolo was here. Kusog na kami. Kusog na muna tara.
nakakuha na ng tubig.
Ako, kumuha na ako ng water. We're done na. We're ready to go to our next destination, yung homestay namin. Ano yan?
Race magnet.
Saan to binibili?
Ref magnet.
Saan to? Meron
Mga souvenir.
saan? Meron dito?
Yung sa baba, ano pala? Souvenir shop. At saka dito na yung bags. So, yan, mga souvenir. Hello po. Dito yung homestay. Homestay. It's quaint. Just behind a souvenir shop. So, doon yung souvenir shop. Hiking after kumaon. Another souvenir shop. Dito. Siya po ang old. Yun daw siya. Unassuming. So this is our quaint and warm and assuming homestay. So may basic fan and bed. So nakakount yung gamit namin. And then paglabas, we have a pet dog which is sleeping. And then sa kabilang room sila Ash. Dito kami.
Uy, twinning tayo.
Oo nga no. Wala coincidence. Day Ash? Sige. Mag-brush lang ako.
Ash, look at us. We're twinning.
Mag-brush lang ako. So, sa labas lang namin is my school dito. There's a school. And then neighbors. Ay. Then yung rice terraces. This is the view from our homestay. Ganda. Ganda, ganda, ganda. So, going down na ako. Going na kami ko Apuang Ord. I love Sakalan. Ito sila. We're on the way to Apuang Ord. Hi! Hello! So, malapit lang pala sa amin si Apo Wang.
Yes. We're gonna be next.
Ayan siya. Apo Wang in the flash.
I don't think so.
So, meron dito, ito yung ginagamit sa tatattoo. This is worth 150.
Kaya? What comes to your mind?
Feel ko siya sa skin.
Isipin mo na lahat ng masakit. Kaya, kaya. Done? Ikaw next, ah. Okay. Shh. Yamar, show, pag-picture, patingin ng ano mo. Ay. Okay. Okay, picture Liova. Ducks po yan. Ducks po yan. Ha?
Okay ka na? Ano, kaya pa?
Picture kayo doon.
Naantok eh. Kaya po. Naantok. Pagod
Kape?
sa araw-araw.
Kape ba yan? Tubig. Nagkakape ba? Nasa kay Ash. So we're done with our tattoo from Apuang. Ongoing pa siya. So bigyan siya ng water kanina kasi baka daw makatulog siya.
Yeah.
Choy na.
Simon, smile.
Pupunta na kaming falls. Oh no.
Oo, manok. Kaya di po kayo. Oo, nawala eh.
Di ba naaso hindi po nang ano?
Time check is 4:23. Clean.
Sa mga chika.
Galing kami doon. Doon. Dalawa sila. I love hiking. Pero at least nakakain na kami ngayon compared kanina. Oh, ito sila. We're good. Oo. Ang ganda ng ano dito ng scenery. Look at
Amazing view.
ito yung across sa homestay namin pala. Doon kasi kami. Magkatry ba tayong mag-farm? You know? Grabe no? So green. Galing ang pagkakagawa nila. It's 4:31 PM. Ang ganda. Kanina oh. These are freshly planted rice. Something. Ganda no? So green. So ngayon may mga nagtatanim. Ang galing. Kung paano nila ginawa ito before, ang galing nila. Galing kami dito. Ang fresh ng hangin dito. Hindi siya nakakapagos masyado. Man-made lahat. Yung terraces. I can't believe na maglalakad ako sa isang rice field. Yung terraces. Rice field terraces. Yung Tagalog, hagdan-hagdang palayan. Yung rice field dito. Sa baba, rice field din. At sa baba nun. So if ever mahulog ako dito, okay lang kasi rice field lang. Hindi siya ganun kalalim. Malayo pala, medyo malayo pala yung falls. False alarm siya. So, nandito na kami sa falls, yung pinuntahan namin. Nasira lang siya kasi may mga bumagsak na ganun, mga debris. Tsaka yan, may mga naka-block na mga ganito. Dati daw, dumidiretso yan. Pupunta doon. Yun na maganda yung falls, no?
Bakit siya nasira?
Ito, may mga nalaglag siguro ng mga puno yan. Bato. Ano yun siya? Doon may mga ano doon. May mga nag-iinom, nagpipiknik. Yung mahirap dito, no? Kasi matarik dito.
Hindi ako nasa-stress kasi waray talaga tatapakan. Mahinag.
Dito pala galing yung water. Ayan. Shortcut kami ngayon. On the way back na kami from the falls, so hindi na ako masyadong nagbi-video. Nag-focus na ako na makabalik ng buhay, ng safe, ng in one piece. Kapagod. Time check is 5:24. So we have to be back before sundown. We're on time. It's 5:30 p.m. so happy na. Aabot naman kami na hindi naman.
jeep na masakyan yun.
So it's Ara's time. So while we're taking a break, let's ask them. How did you find the falls?
We found it. It was ruined by
Uwan.
a big log of tree, but it was still so good. And the water is so nice. It's not an easy task.
It has a narrative for me.
What's the narrative?
Narrative meaning it has a life prior. And I think
And it died.
I really want it to bloom again.
The flower.
It's giving beanie.
I mean, it can survive sooner.
I
Kumbaga,
hope
ano
it
yan,
will be
may story yan behind
restored
it. Yeah.
sooner.
May potential pa
So
yun.
yun. So
And,
we're heading back na.
Dalawa.
Dito kami nag-order ng halo-halo.
Kasi may dorin.
Halo-halo nila is may...
Sugar ka mo?
Ano special sa halo-halo nila? May macaroni. May macaroni. Yan.
Okay yan, carbs.
Yeah. We need that.
Oh, di ba?
So time is 5:53. We actually made it before 6.
Pag tumatakbo kami, pag kung ano-ano. Always
May
may carbo loading. 3 days before.
Need yun.
3 days before run. 2 days before run. A day before run. At least 3 days before.
Tama yung mga inasal ko last
Tapos
Sunday.
kagabi hindi kumain.
Justify.
Yung inasal.
So ito yung ano nila, buskalan halo-halo. Try namin. Masarap siya, no sugar to. With macaroni and ube. This is our dinner. This is chop suey. And that is fried chicken.
The greenest chop suey
In my whole life. Thank you for the food. Itadakimasu. I'm going to record. So we're now here just nearby our homestay where we stay. That
And
makes
we're
us
sort
feel
of-
at home.
We're sort of arguing
Yeah.
and debating whether the moon is...
So there, we're looking at the moon. Yun. Kasi today daw is April 1, ano daw, pink moon.
Yeah, it doesn't look pink though.
For me, that's pink. Oh, it's pink.
Isn't pink.
There is some
It looks like white na may konting
Ako nakaligo na ako, nakapag-toothbrush, so I'm ready to sleep.
okay.
Ganito pala dito ang
Mag ano na lang ako, brush and konting
Wash,
wash. Tapos yun na yun.
So, what are the highlights for today? Ako, I'll start. My highlights
Dito tayo sa may
are-
light.
What's your highlights
Yan.
for today?
I have siguro dalawa lang. The 15-minute waterfall walk,
Trek.
which, you know,
Extended.
Baka scam.
which happened to be an hour back, one way. And
So 2 hours back
the
and forth.
halo-halo with macaroni.
Yeah.
No sugar.
It was a nice surprise.
It was a great treat for the day.
How about you?
Me, well basically, let's have 3.
Sige. Story mo
Siguro
yun,
5
eh.
na lang. No, the first one that comes to mind is really the excitement when we had our tattoo by the legendary Wangwood. First.
Hindi rin yung part na
Tama. Uy, bakit?
Oo nga, I wonder
You
why.
want to,
Look at
add
this.
something
no,
to your list?
it's my turn,
Ay.
diba? Look at this. So
Wait.
because,
Yan.
nakikita ko lang naman yun dati sa TV or sa news. So now, we actually saw the scenario. Wow! That's good. That's 1 point for me. Then I'm going to have a tattoo tomorrow again. Then second, I believe, kasi logical eh.
Sige.
Ano na lang tayo dun sa scenery dito. So, ito ang nakikita
Yung
mo sa
rice
likod.
fields.
Tomorrow it will be different. Because makikita mo yung view. Kanina nakita namin, dapat hapon na yun. It's so good. Especially when, makikita mo yung sun against the terraces. Ang ganda. So, parang wala kasi ito sa summer. I mean, it's really something that is unique in this place.
I agree.
Then the third one, sabi ko 3, di ba? Yung bayanihan. Na-appreciate ko. Na parang amazing. Bayanihan because parang they were working, the men in the area were working on something. Concrete. Wow. Hindi ko na-explain kung ano.
So,
Basta there were
About
ginagawang
construction
bahay.
of a house.
And you know what? Nakita ko na nag-share sila ng maraming, ano yun, karabaw ba yun or baboy? Basta meat. Tapos they're sharing the food. Parang, it's been a long time since I felt that. Na parang sa isang community na nag-share kayo ng food. Tapos they were so excited. Naka-line up sila dyan. Tapos actually gusto ko humingi ng pagkain.
Actually, parang masarap ngayong yung nakatukog na may mga laman, dun may taba
Tapos
sa dulo.
nakatusok siya. So that's the 3
Actually,
most
masarap yun pag
important.
Pag,
Oo.
pag ginigrill mo.
Yeah. 3. Maraming highlights actually, pero yung tatlo na yun na positive.
Ako naman, parang same lahat nung na-mention nyo, plus this one, plus the pink moon.
Ang pivot mo.
Yan.
Okay, goodness.
Because,
Hindi talaga siya
Yan,
mapatala
oo.
sa pink moon.
pink na siya, yan. If you try looking at it harder,
Maybe yellow.
harder, diba?
Hindi ko rin talaga siya makita ang pink. Pero sige, that's
So ito yung,
naman yan
ito pala yung homestay namin at night
Yeah.
time. So dyan kami nakastay, yan. So we have 2 rooms.
Ano kami?
Okay naman siya, so may ilaw naman dito. Dito yung CR. So ito, to cap the night, we will just stay here. We're just going to chill and bath under the pink moon.
We had our tattoo
Bye.
earlier. Nandun lang siya cash.
Hello, so hindi pa kami natapos. Then natin sa tiyan over, so bumili kami ng beer
Yeah.
to cap the night
Captain Night.
with cracklings.
To discuss more beautiful things.
And may moon pa rin.
Buksan ko pa yung tattoo ng alcohol.
Sige, go.